Hey there! Welcome to another video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when it comes to SSH key passphrase. How can we enforce a passphrase policy on the passphrase used to encrypt SSH private keys? It's a tricky dilemma, especially when our usual tools like the paym_p_quality module don't quite fit the bill for this particular problem. In finding a solution to this passphrase policy problem, one approach is to store private keys in hardware tokens like TPM2 chips, YubiKeys, or Apple equivalents. By doing this, we eliminate the risk of key files being stolen and can set up limits on PIN attempts for added security without making life too difficult for users. For Linux users, tools like SSH TPM Agent or TPM2_PKCS11 can help manage keys securely. If you're on Windows, PuTTY and PagentCAC could be viable options for integrating with hardware tokens. As a summary, enforcing passphrase policies on SSH private keys can be a challenging task. While traditional methods may fall short, exploring hardware token solutions or SSH certificate authority systems can offer more secure alternatives. Whether you choose to go the hardware route or opt for short-term key pairs, there are multiple avenues to explore for enhancing SSH key security. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts.